Everybody loves a good breakfast, but the question remains, will it salad? I'm here to tell you that it definitely does. And let me show you how to make this delicious brunch idea. I'll start by cooking my baby potatoes with the rack and some water in the bottom and setting it for 5 minutes. Start cooking your bacon, and when your potatoes are ready, take them out of the pressure cooker and cut them all in half. Finish cooking the bacon, empty out the extra grease from the frying pan, and then add in some butter. Place the cut potatoes into the frying pan, place them cut side down, and then season with salt and pepper. Cook them until they're nice and golden. Cook your eggs either sunny side up or poached. And while they're cooking, let's make the vinaigrette. To a jar, add olive oil, white wine vinegar, maple syrup, a little bit of mustard, and a pinch of salt. Place the lid on the jar and give it a good shake. Place the arugula on a platter or onto plates, and you're ready to assemble. Place your eggs on the arugula and then dot with potatoes. Place your bacon, tomatoes, and avocados on top and drizzle with the dressing. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.